Alright guys, what's going on? So we got some action today. So today we're going to be taking out this little motor out of this bike, out of this fixie, and we're going to be putting a new one in it. So that's a 66 cc, and we're going to be putting the 88 cc, or 80. Here's the motor. Brand new, all brand new motor. So that's cool. It comes with everything: motor, sprocket, the grip, chain, the tank, all the rest of the stuff. Linkages, carburetor, everything. Pipe. So we're gonna get this bike running again. The way they did this one is all dumb and then they blew it. So we're gonna get it right again, get it connected for this customer. Should be pretty simple, pretty fun. And we'll try it out, see how it works after. Let's see if I can get this to stay. Yeah, my coworker ain't here today. He's at home playing hooky. So, but we're here, so I gotta keep on grinding. We probably won't use the gas tank because it already has a gas tank. Throttle cable. Some of this we won't be using. Already got all the stuff on the bike. All right, well, let's tear this one down. So let's see, I need a screwdriver, a 10 mil. Screwdriver, a 10.